this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm so excited to share the recap of the 5 cards that I made using the Scrappytails die, the train die, and accompanying products. And so this is just a recap. If you want to see, and hear me talk a little bit more about how I put these items together, there are a couple tutorials in there. I do have 5 videos up on my channel. You can watch them and have some inspiration. And then, maybe if you get this die, it'll give you some ideas. I would love to have other ideas of how to use the train. I have thought about Thomas the Tank Engine. I just don't have anybody to make Thomas the Tank Engine cards for, but I think that would be a really cute one. And so I would love other ideas to use this fabulous train, but I think it's really fun. So I kind of made my own version of a shadow box card / tunnel style card. Very easy to do. I have the directions, a tutorial for this. And then I have my greeting farm guy that I turned into Harry. And what I did was I just attached it to a card base. Okay, and then it just squishes down, and then you could just put it in a slimline envelope or a number 10 envelope. It will fit, and then when it comes out, it'll kind of bounce back up. But I did it this way so you can write inside, and then it'll stand up like that. It'll stand up really well. Okay. Then the second card that I made, the second video, it's up there, is this one, and it's a newspaper. These are some fabulous products by the Sassy Club stamps, and this is their stamp, but it's the die plus all of the newsprint words. And you don't have to just do Harry Potter. It's got birthday and other things. And I know that there is a newspaper stamp that Conquer the Knife has, and I really do want that one. So, because I think I can use it with this. I think I can. But I think it's so cute, and I made the newsprint or the newspaper die into a shaped card, and I love this. I think at first, before I made my last card, this was my favorite one of the cards that I made. I think it's really, really cute. And then I did this trifold card, which was quite something. So I left this part blank, that this is where you could write your message or stamp like happy birthday or whatever you wanted to do inside. But here it is right here. I think it's so cute. And then it opens like this. So it's a kind of a pop-up like this. And then we have this side right here, which is the wands and words. Isn't that fun? Okay, so there's that one. And then here is this one right here. And it's just a slim line. I think it's so cute. Okay, so there's that. And then this one. This is the last one that I did with my last train. And I love it. So they're escaping on the dragon, and I just love it. So make sure you check out all those videos if you want to see more detail on how I put these all together. There's a few tutorials. I put them together, and I talk about the products I used in case, any of these things float your boat. Thanks for watching. This is Sam Create the Heart.